cutting it apart. It's pretty rough shape, but figuring out what to do here. Then we're gonna don't want anybody seeing that we're repairing it. I mean, we don't want to show signs of it, so that's why I cut this right along here, so this floor mount will hide it. The panel we're putting in, just less finished work that way. And there's some crafty work there that was done. So I got the floor here, part of it welded in. I hate doing that without all the pieces, but Mike went to get the other pieces I need. I won't be back till later today, so I want to keep going on it. I had to make, this was rotted out too, so I had to make that. The plan was doing it over the floor mount. Kind of, the floor bracing here kind of was, it worked, but it was rough. Well, it was really rough welding it because it was rusty underneath that and wasn't going real good. So I don't think I'm going to do that on the driver's side. I think I'll just take my time and finish it off nice and go from there. So I'm going to tear into the driver's side here. I'll show you what they put these inner rockers in here, and they screwed them on the inside, and their spot welds are terrible. But I don't know who done it. Might have been a teenager trying to make a truck, and more power to them. I mean, they tried. But yeah, there's some bad welds, but kind of a bear to make it tear into that and then go back. Well, it's the end of the day, and I did get this floorboard welded in. It's more of a chore getting old one out than it was putting a new one in, but got it pretty much done. Be a little easier to grind it and stuff when it's laying back down flat. But that's the end of the day. Well, it's Monday morning after Christmas. Should be had a couple days off, should be really relaxed, but we had a big snowstorm, so plowing all day long for 2 days. But today, I think we're going to put the front cab mounts in. They will go, let's see here. Mike picked them up down in Wausau last week. So these go in here on both sides, right here, in here on both sides. And I'll get going on that. got that welded in there. A little grinding and should be good.